This lesson is 13.4 in Go Math Practice and Homework. We are just going to review really quick what the formulas are for area, which is what? A equals B times H, or base times height, and perimeter is P equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And we like to put these in parentheses just to keep them separate. And we're going to use every clue that they give us, and we're just going to put them right underneath the formula when we write it down. Super important to write the formula down. Okay, so if we look at number 4, we have what information? Area. Yeah, so we're going to use what formula? Area. So A equals B times H. All right, so what information do I have? Area, which is 200, so I put that right under the A, 200. And I have the base or the height?
Base.
I have the height. Yeah, so I just bring the B down times 25. Okay, so I have to think what times 25 equals 200. Now, I love 25 because it reminds me of quarters, right? So if you think in your head, how many quarters do you need to make $2 or 200 cents? Everyone
8.
Think and say.
8.
8, yeah. So if we did 8 times 25, let's just prove it because we're that awesome. So 25 times 8, 5 times 8 is?
40.
Regroup the 4. 8 times 2 is 16, plus the 4 is 20. Oh, did we do it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is our base? 25. Oh, yeah, 8. You're right. Sorry. 8 what? It's not square because that's the area. It's just the side. So it's 8 inches. Okay? So that's an area one. Let's do one with perimeter because it just is a couple more steps. So let's do number 2. Oh, actually, it already did number 1 for perimeter. So let's look at number 5. Okay. Number 5 says Susie is an organic vegetable grower. Super cool, but do we need it?
No.
No. Okay, the perimeter, is that a clue?
Yes.
Yeah, the perimeter of her rectangular vegetable garden is 72 yards. Keep reading it with me, please. The width of the vegetable garden is 9 yards. How long is the vegetable garden? Okay, so I'm going to draw a picture of this, and I'm going to do it right over here. You guys have space at the bottom of your paper. Okay, so here's my rectangle. And what do I know? What clue did it give me? What clues? I circled it and I underlined it. Is what? The perimeter. I underlined it. So I'm going to use what formula? Perimeter. So I write P equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. And I'm going to put those in parentheses just to keep them a little separated. Okay, what's the first clue it gave me?
72 yards.
Is the perimeter. So I put that under P. Okay, so put 72 under P. Okay, what else do I know? What was the other clue it gave me? The width is 9 yards. The width is 9 yards. So this is 9 over here. Okay, so I just put in the information I know. I don't know the length yet, so I'm just going to keep that 2 times L. And I do know the 2 times the width. What is the width again?
9.
9. You're on fire. Good job. 9. Okay, what part of this can I solve?
2 times 9.
I sure can. I can do 2 times 9, which is?
18.
18. Okay, so I'm going to take this away from the 72 so I can find out what I'm going to do 2 times. So 72 minus 18. Okay, can I take 8 from 2? Can I? Nope, so I'm going to have to regroup. I'm going to change this color. So that's going to be 6 tens left, and that 10 I took away, I'm going to add to the 2 to make it 12. Now can I take 8 away? You should all be writing with me. Can I take 8 from 12?
No.
Can I take 8 from 12?
Yes.
Sure can. What's 12 minus 8?
4.
4. Okay, and then I do my 10. 6 minus 1 is
5.
5. Now I have to think, okay, well, now I have 2 times what is 54? Now 54 is kind of bigger, so I'm just going to actually divide it. So I'm going to go 54 divided by the 2. This 2 right here. So it's like 54 equals 2 times L, right? So that means I'm just going to divide it. So how many times can 2 go into 5?
2.
2. So I put 2 up here. Remember, if I write, you write. 2 times 2 is what?
4.
4. Okay, 5 minus 4 is?
5 minus 4 is 1.
1. Bring down the 4, and I have 14. 14 divided by 2 is what?
7. 27.
7. Okay, very good. So 27 is my length. So 27 what?
Yards.
27 yards. So if I had 27 plus 27 plus 9 plus 9, that would equal 72. Pretty cool, huh? So 9, 9, 27, 27. How would you prove it if you wanted to? Perimeter is around, perimeter is around. Oh, don't you know, perimeter is around. You add up all the sides, you add up all the sides. Oh, don't you know, you add up all the sides. So let's just estimate. 27 and 27 are close to 25. So 25 plus 25 is 50, plus 10 plus 10. Is that 70? Really close to our actual answer of 72. So did we do it right? Yeah, we did. Okay, good. Number 6, let's just talk through that. It says write a problem that involves finding the unknown measure of a side of a rectangle. Include the solution. You could use area or perimeter to do that. Okay, ready, go.